everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today I'm back with another tutorial video on how you can redeem your gift card for Roblox. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your web browser. You'll need to go and log into your official website for Roblox on your computer, since you cannot redeem your gift card in the Roblox application. Simply go to the top of the screen and in the URL box type in www.roblox.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Roblox account. If you're not, sign into it, and the first interface or the home page of Roblox will look like this. Go to the left-hand side menu, and at the bottom right beneath official stores, you'll be able to see a gift card tab. Give it a click, and soon after you do that, go to the top right-hand corner on the next page, click on Redeem Card button. This is the gift card redemption page displayed on your screen. Type in your gift card number in the text box that appears right beneath Redeem Roblox codes. Enter your gift card number in the text box, which is usually available at the back of your gift card. Soon after you do that, click on the Redeem button in black at the bottom, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Roblox quick and easy online. That is how it's done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.